Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to mute notifications for a specific app on Android. First, open Settings and go to Notification Center, sometimes called Apps and Notifications or simply Notifications depending on your phone. And select the app you want to control. For example, Messenger. Toggle off Allow notifications to mute them completely. Or customize like muting only sound, banners, or vibration while still letting silent notifications show. Some phones also have notification categories where you can turn off just certain types of alerts like message previews but not calls. Once adjusted, go back and your settings will be automatically saved. This is super useful if an app keeps spamming you but you don't want to uninstall it. You'll only get the alerts you actually care about. And that's how to mute notifications for a specific app on Android.